Before, there were yellow ducks behind me, but they are gone now. There are only yellow duck boats here. I told you about this side of Nong Pachak Park before. There are massage shops and restaurants along the side. Here are the restaurants. Wear mask. These are the restaurants that opened in the evening. And if you come to Nong Pachak Park, you will see the giant letters written Udon Thani. The resting spots at Nong Pachak Park. At Nong Pachak Park, they already separate the bike lane and the running lane. Look at this graffiti. It looks so cool. It's Hanuman. There is a massive model of Ban Chiang Vase. Let's go inside the park. There is bike parking too. There is a big clock. Thai numbers. Thai people write formal letters or email. Sometimes we will use Thai numbers. Hai Ban Chiang West. We are going to Suspension Bridge. My buddy is here. I think Nong Pachak Park changed a lot. Last time I came here, they didn't separate the lanes yet. It's so beautiful. I'm so proud of Udon Thani. A pavilion at Nong Pachak Park. Sala Samli Ngan is the name of the pavilion. That's the name of Nong Pachak Park. Sound familiar? Let me tell you, it comes from the name of the founder of Udon Thani, Major General Pachak Silpakom or Prince Pachak Silpakom. There's another bridge over there. Can you see it here? So this is a clock tower roundabout. Maybe? A little dog loves Nong Pachak Park. There is an airplane here. Dino Land. So this is another playground. There are some restaurants inside the park, but they are not open yet. This is Udon Hospital. And from Nong Pachak you can see the museum, Udon Thani Museum over there. Suspension Bridge number 1. A little beautiful garden. And this is another playground. Tai Chi space. Chinese people call Tai Chi Tai Ji Xuan. And this is yin yang symbol. Let me show you around. Exercise equipments. The blue lane for the bike. This is another spot that they put exercise equipments. I come here a little bit late because I forgot my microphone. Went back to get it at home. So I've arrived around 7 o'clock. In Thailand it's already sunny. I recommend you exercise like around 6:30 will be better. This is like kids zones. I didn't count how many spots that they have exercise equipments, but there are a lot. Some are old and some are new. These are quite old. It's broken. You can go to another way too. I just saw a person riding a bike. Many lotus here. There's another pavilion here. And there's a bridge on the left. Oh, I have to check it out because I didn't come back for like 8 years. You see Nong Bua at Udon. Oh, there are golden lotus. I feel a little bit hot already. Boya Shrine that linked to the park. You can sit here too. Should we go in? No. Because I'm hot already. Look at the sun, at my face. The pavilion. Guardian lion. All these trees are Intapalam. This park is very close to Ladda apartment. Is the cheap apartment that I filmed. If you don't know Ladda apartment, you can check my previous video. From Ladda apartment to this park, it takes around 3 minutes. I come here by a scooter. We are almost there. Almost arrive at our scooter. And another thing, you gotta be careful because at night there are homeless people here. Come here during the day is better. I didn't say that homeless people are bad, but we don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know what they're doing with their lives, you know. This is my scooter. Ready? Ambience at Nong Sim Park. And this is the pavilion at Nong Sim Park. ดีชอบไหม This is a soccer field, but it's not open yet. Another pavilion. Exercise equipments. Here is a shrine at Nong Sim Park. Pu Ta Ban De Shrine. There are other shrines here too. It is written about Nong Sim Park history. The number that you get from the CMC, you just check it here, like which number that you get. But you have to understand Thai too because there's no English version. I read an article say they repair equipment and the pavilions and rearrange the trees last year. This is the biggest pavilion. It is multi-purpose pavilion. We gotta go. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss my next episode. Bye!